फासालो खुमलुंगनि डिग्री कलेज कनफारेन्स हलनगो चेंगिरि जाखा नखा सालनायनि बागै ओंनाय AI हायर एडुकेशन लेखा परिमुङो ताई नेशनल एडुकेशन पलिसि नि थिनांगो बोसोक सामुङो नां अ कक बर्थमानो ती नखा सालनायनि सेमिनार पान्दा अ सेमिनार पान्दाओ नारयकरा ताई चेंसराय नारय ओंगै फाइमानजा फाइका TTAADC नि हेल्थ ट्राइबल वेलफेयर ताई बेरायखिरि नायखुंनि सामुंसारफां आदं कमल कलय तंखा अ सालनि पान्दाओ TC नि सेक्रेटारि प्रदीप देबबर्मा ताई टंखा खुमलुंग डिग्री कलेज नि प्रिन्सिपल इनचार्ज डॉक्टर भूपेन्द्र देबबर्मा ताई कन्वेनर डॉक्टर सुब्रत देबबर्मानो खबै जुदा जुदा आदं रक पान्दानि बिसिंतै रोंसोंनाय रक न अ AI बोसोक अ जरा बाक्सा गदालजाक आबो सामबाय बाक्सानो रों फोरोंथानिओ रों परिथानिओ बोसोक नांकुकमानि अ कग्रनो सबाय सुक्रुबै सालायखा मानजांनाय नारवाय रक 28 तारिख बै 29 तारिख नखा सालनायनि अ AI नो तियै सेमिनार खालायमानि बिसिंतै रोंसोंनाय रकनो जरा बाक्सा आपडेट खालायनायनि आबोनो नाहारमुं अ सालनि अ नखा सालनायनि सेमिनार
It is very privileged to me, but I come late, 1 hour late. For that, I am very much sorry. I stuck my vehicle, the government vehicle stuck in the middle of the road, so it's got spoiled. Again, I have to bring my own car. That is also not in a good condition. So we run with the escort, police escort, and my small car. No, it is very unfortunate to me to reach here also. So I'm very sorry. And in 11 hour, I have been informed that you will be in the Khumulung Degree College, and 11 in the 11 a.m. there will be program. I was surprised. I'm cutting my boy's haircut in the salon. So suddenly I received the information. Then I rushed. I tried to. So, however, the topic today's the national seminar. AI in higher education, bridging innovation, ethics and NFP's future and visions. It is very high level topic to us. Very high level. I am not a scholar, not a teacher, not a professor. What I have just acknowledged by the main speech, the level you spoke, no, I don't know. How many of you, our students, can understand English? Please raise your hand. How many of you totally, actually you can understand properly? Not understand. You have to absorb the knowledge from our scholar, from our research person, isn't it? Only doing workshop and gathering people are not enough. The transformation with the artificial intelligence, what Madam has said, mentions, it transforms our economy, it transforms the thinking of our human intellectual, it transforms in our society, it got transformed in our health care also. What Madam has mentioned, ECCC. When I went in Singapore, ma'am, my department in here is health, tourism and tribal welfare. Maharaja told me, just you visit some of the hospital in Singapore. All the Singapore hospital are fitted with the AI. And in Singapore street, no policeman is standing there. The robot means what? Artificial intelligence, it is also part of the artificial. Robots are walking with camera. No policeman is there. No traffic controller is there. So they are ahead of 100 years than us, 50 years than us. So we are here. Still our people. Yesterday what happened? Alligating the witchcraft. Our people kill one man. We are running in the mandir. When we feel sick, one of worker, I mean my well-wisher in my constituency who voted me, he saw me wire. What is that? They told me it is, we cutted his body after his death, then we found somewhere inside the stomach. So how can it be? So it is happening due to the mantra, due to that superstitions and so on. Still we are there, our Triprasha in Tripura. Still we are running behind the Palakatha. So Palakatha can bring inside what we have, our health issues is there. So still we are here in the light of the education, in the light of the AI, the challenge, the competition in the global, now the AI to transform our life. People are in the dark, no light. That's why I'm asking how many of you understand the English to absorb the national level high quality, this kind of work is very essential to our actually the students who understand, who can absorb, who can analyze, who can the access in the academic administration and any adaptations and so on, or to aware the people. So, and the initiative, I appreciate the initiative. However, I hope that it will success for the 2 days you have organized this kind of the high valuable the seminar. So I hope and I pray God it will be success. So thank you again. Try to understand, and if some of our doctors and professors are there, you try to convince, you try to translate in proper also. Either they will not understand the level of the discussion, they will not understand. Just translate and let them understand properly. Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Chalan sir from Tura campus and Professor Mohan sir, my guide, my supervisor from Tripura University Department of Philosophy, HUD, and TIT Dean Agartala, Madam Juno, and esteemed colleagues, distinguished guests, and my dear students. It is both an honor and a privilege to preside over the inaugural session of this national seminar. Today, we gather to reflect on one of the most transformative forces of our time, AI and its profound implication for higher education. AI is not merely a technological advancement, it is a paradigm shift. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. As educators, we must ensure that AI is guided by ethical principles, safeguarding students' privacy and data security, preventing algorithmic bias and inequality, ensuring accessibility for learners across diverse backgrounds, innovation without ethics risks weighing divides rather than binding them. The National Education Policy 2020 is an education system that is holistic, multidisciplinary, and globally competitive. AI can be a powerful ally in realizing this vision by encouraging ethical thinking and creativity, supporting skill development for the dignity economy, binding gaps between rural and urban institutions. This seminar is not just an academic exercise, it is a collective responsibility. Over the next 2 days, let us deliberate, debate, and design pathways where AI strengthens and foundation for higher education while remaining true to our values. As president of this inaugural session, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizer, resource persons, paper presenters, and participants. May this seminar inspire us to vision an education system where technology and humanity work together towards a brighter, ethical, and innovative future. Thank you.